Let's look at drawing Lewis structures for polyatomic ions. If you haven't read the introductory material at the top of the page, please go ahead and do so and pause the video. First thing we always have to do is count up the total number of valence electrons. Nitrogen is in group 5 because it has 5 valence electrons. Hydrogen has its single 1s1 electron. We've got 1 nitrogen, 4 hydrogens. So our atoms are bringing in 9 valence electrons to make this structure. However, this ammonium ion has a positive 1 charge. Get a positive charge means you've lost an electron. So we're going to take away 1 electron, which means we have 8 electrons to show in our Lewis structure. The central atom will be nitrogen, to which we're going to bond the 4 hydrogens. Turns out we just happen to have 8 electrons we have to draw after our skeletal structure. And so now we've distributed all the electrons. Remember that a bond consists of 2 electrons. It's very important that you then put your Lewis structure in brackets and put the charge on the outside of that bracket. So that way, if somebody were to come along and audit the number of electrons that you have, that charge would tell them that you only can have 8 electrons and not the 9 from the atoms. The next one is to draw a Lewis structure for the hydroxide ion. Oxygen's group 6, hydrogen's in group 1. That means there are 7 valence electrons coming from the atoms involved. It's got a negative 1 charge, which means we're actually going to add an electron. We get a negative charge, you've gained electrons. So we have 8 electrons to show in our Lewis structure. So we're going to connect our 2 atoms, the oxygen and the hydrogen. We're drawing 1 bond. That means we have drawn in 2 electrons. We have 6 electrons left to draw. So now we need to give each atom its octet. Hydrogen is happy. It's made its 1 bond, 2 electrons it ever needs to get to where it has a noble gas configuration. The oxygen needs 6. It has 2 in the bond, needs 6, and it just so happens we've got 6. We put that in brackets and put a negative charge on the outside. That will be the correct Lewis structure for the hydroxide.